This is the PSB7T Spirit Box. We've done an overview already on the other video. Now we're going to go over the buttons and the functionality of this device. If it's the first time you've ever used this device, hopefully this tutorial will help you out. Go over first the general look at the device. You have on the front, you have your function buttons, and then you have an LCD screen that's going to give you some information once we turn it on. This sticker is custom, by the way. I added that on there just so I wouldn't get confused. There's a speaker built in as well. If you look on the back here, I've added these to be able to attach it to a Echo box that I built. In the back, it takes 3 AAA batteries. And the batteries last a really long time. On the side right here, you have ports for headphone jack, spout, which is like attaching it to a speaker. You got your temperature reset because this device does have the ability to measure temperature. And you have the power, DC 4.5 volt power inlet. Okay, so we're looking at the buttons on the front. If we're going from right to left, because that's the most important stuff. Right off the bat, you're going to see a power button right here. That's going to be how you turn the device on. And above that, you'll see AM, FM, and Celsius and Fahrenheit. So that's how you change the measurement of temperature and whether you're AM or FM. Moving over towards the left, you have volume up and down. That's pretty self-explanatory. Next set of buttons is sweep forward, sweep reverse. And so when you turn this device on, and I'm going to show you, we're going to be able to choose to sweep forward through the channels or in reverse through the channels. And that'll actually change how things sound as well. And then we furthest to the left, we have sweep rate and backlight lamp. So this does have a little light on the top. You can see it right here. We do have a little light that comes on if you press and hold that. So that's helpful sometimes if you're in the dark and you need to see something. It also has a backlight too, so you'll see it'll be orange, so you can see it in the dark. You see it's got a little battery indicator on the device as well in the upper right corner. That's going to be pretty helpful as well. So first thing we're going to do is to turn this box on. Just press until you see the orange come on, and you're going to see a bunch of different numbers on here. We have our, if you're starting from the upper corner right here, you'll see your temperature saying it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit right now, almost 79 degrees. It's really warm in here. You're going to, below that, you'll see your channel. Right now, we're not going through any frequencies, so it's just sitting on 96.1. But notice there's no noise coming through here, completely blank. Now I went in and took the antenna out so I wouldn't pick up unnecessary noise. So whatever noise I get is going to be something from hopefully the spirit realm. Coming over here, you see this FM and you see 150 ms. That's going to be your sweep rate. So we got that on right now. I would come over, make sure your volume is all the way up. You can see loud is 30. And as I turn that down, it goes down. So pretty simple to do right there. So next we're going to do is sweep forward or sweep reverse. So we're going to do sweep forward first. So 100 ms is the fastest setting on the device. You can hear it really skipping through those channels pretty quickly. 150 is a good speed to use on a lot of your investigations. 150 to 250 is a really good range. You're just going to have to just tailor that to your liking. 200, 250, 300, 350, which is the slowest sweep on the device, and then it goes back to 100. If we wanted to sweep in the opposite direction, we would press it once and then press and hold sweep reverse, and now it's going in the reverse direction. And if you notice the sound it's making right now, it's a pretty clean white noise, but if we were to switch it to AM, it's going to sound a lot different. So let's slow this down a little. There you go. Let's slow it down to 200, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like on AM. a lot noisier, a lot more harsh. And if we wanted to stop it, we can just hit the FM thing again. And then to turn it off, so then the backlight, if I wanted to turn that backlight off, I could do it by just pressing backlight on and off. And again, if you want to use your little flashlight, you press and hold to get the little flashlight. Pretty simple device, actually. And then to turn it off, you press and hold power, and it goes off. And that's it. And this battery will last a really long time. I think an entire season of using it. I think I changed the batteries maybe twice. So this is your SB7T Spirit Box. Very similar to the newer models as well. They all work pretty much the same. But that is the buttonology for your SB7T Spirit Box.
Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, hit the subscribe button. We're a first responder paranormal group that use our social media platforms to raise awareness about first responder mental health. So by you hitting that subscribe button right now, you make a big difference in a first responder's life, and I really appreciate that. Shout out to our sponsors, Ghost Hunters Equipment by Ghost Augustine. Thank you so much for sponsoring us. If you scan this QR code right now and go to their Paraforce line and make a purchase using that QR code, a donation is made to the Survive First Foundation, which provides mental health resources to first responders and veterans throughout the country. So thank you so much. Beyond the Badge Paranormal. Stay tuned for the next video.